everyone. Today we are going to work on a pocket waterfall folio kit. It's for the holidays and it's a great gift or something to make for yourself. All kinds of pockets and things to put little gifts in or anything you want. We got all kinds of ephemera, cards, all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to go through the tutorial with you. I have already put the base together. So basically what that is, it was 2 different pages from the kit. This is the front. So it's basically all the green. And I printed like a back page, which is this, that you can use for any of the ephemera if you want to print a back on it so it's not just white. And then I glued on these panels. And I started by adding the waterfall pockets here. So there's one left to put on, so I can show you how it's done. So you like glue here and there, and then you attach it to this, just like that. Here we go. Okay, so let's do this last pocket. I always get glue on myself. I've already kind of aged them with the this magical stuff. Okay, so let's glue this to the inside of the folio. So this is what they mean by waterfalls. You can just move these up and down. And then we have some cards you can stick in here like that. And then I also have these little tabs that you can glue on. It's a really cute thing. Now, if you wanted to give this as a gift to somebody who's into this kind of thing, you could even like glue gift cards so they can go through everything and find little secret stashes of money or gift cards or anything, really. Anything you can think of that will fit inside. Okay, so next we have this guy here. So we glue along here, like that. Trying to do this without getting glue everywhere. So, just like that. It's a nice little tuck spot. So part of the kit, we have these It's a little notepad, this little top, you just staple it at the top. I printed the background on the back so it's not plain white. Now you can stick this in here if you like. It's a good spot for it. And then we have a pocket over here. I just kind of was trying to find different embellishments to put on top. So this might go here, but let's get the main pieces down first. Right. Okay, so that pocket's in. All right, so now we can add a few little things inside. So we have 2 different envelopes in this pack, and this is one of them. I've already put it together, glued it and everything. And we have these longer journal type cards, so you just stick one in there if you want. You know, this is a great place to hide a little gift of some kind if you want to do that, but it can go right in here. If I didn't glue it too well. Okay, that can go right there. Take it in and out. And let's see what else. So we can put the other envelope together now. So you can either have it fasten at the top like that or do it this way, which is kind of cute as well. So let's do that. So where does it go? So maybe down here. Okay. I'm gonna have to buy some more glue. So you can take another one of these cards. Stick it in here. Now we can either stick this in here or we're gonna have more pockets on the outside. So maybe we can put this one here like that. A little label. We could stick this guy under there. So let's get that started. Okay, so I got this. Yeah. All right, and let's glue this. Maybe glue it like half on like that. And this, what else can we stick on here? Maybe this, like that. It's kind of cute. Sweet little elf. And then I'll just put this on this bottom half. So like this. The glue's not coming out very easily. Too much glue. Okay, so now I'm just kind of playing around with stuff. This one fits pretty well here. Christmas notes. Now let's see where I can put this guy. All right, having a little trouble there. Funny enough, it fits right in here, no problem. But I don't really want to put it there. Just gonna put both of them here for now. And there's plenty of room for it to fold. Okay. So now we have these cards that go in here. You know, you can even like write a little message for the coming year, little wishes for loved ones. You could do anything. There's so many different things you could do with this to make it special. And it's fun for people to go through them all and read them. Okay, so maybe I'll put this one like this here. But yes, this is definitely a great space to put gifts in. And this guy, he can go here. Or you could put Santa. It's got a little too much glue. Here, we can put this guy here. Now, you have all these little guys. Dreams, believe, Christmas wishes. So we put Christmas wishes here. Or dreams. Okay, let's glue on the rest. I should put it here, maybe. Sure. Okay. That's working well. And I had a little, here we are. So a guy we could just stick down here. See, it's just a quick little craft. All right, just a few little things left. You don't have to use everything, of course. I just thought these might be fun. Just kind of stick them on the top. Makes them easier to pull out. So like I said, you could always write a message on the back of each of these, wishing someone well for the new year, anything like that. Could be like a treasure hunt. You could be giving them clues on where to find gifts. Anything you want. So here I'll just have to glue those down. Let's see which one I want to use. Maybe this one. Yeah, this one's better for this one. And you don't have to put the tabs on the top. I just think it's a nice little extra detail. Or you could even punch a hole in it instead and make it a tag and attach like a ribbon or a string, twine. You could even like cut the tops off if you wanted to. I know I'm not making it equal necessarily, but it's kind of fun. Knocking everything over today. So you could do that. So they're not all the same. This one you could actually put on the side and put it in the tuck spot instead. You don't have a lot of room in there, but you could do that like this. Let's use holiday blessings. I have one more of these. Maybe I'll stick them on the Santa. go. Okay, so now we can just put these cards in here. Actually works well, makes it easy to pull it out. But this one, maybe I'll stick it here. Just attach a ribbon to it, if you like. And here we go. So I have one empty one here because I put the Santa in the front, but it's all good. And then we have these two little guys. Maybe I'll just put them like this, right there. Here we are. Here's the finished piece. So this is the waterfall pockets. Okay. Pull them in and out. Write something on the back. We have our little Christmas notepad. Might be easier not to glue here and just kind of slide things in. This guy here. Envelopes. Front and the back. Thanks for watching.